TikTok Shop is known to be one of the easiest ways to make money online, and there's no doubt about it. Now, besides it being just a simple side hustle that everybody talks about, there are actually some people that I know personally, and a lot of other people out there that are actually making this a full-time income. Now, so many people think you got to get millions of views, you got to have tons of followers, all that stuff, but in reality, you really don't. Over the past couple of months, I've been studying the top TikTok Shop creators and seeing exactly who makes money and who doesn't. Now, I'm not going to be showing you guys how to make some super viral video where you're getting millions of views and whatnot, because again, that could mean absolutely nothing to your bank account. The video format and all the structures that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video are ones that honestly don't get too many views, but they actually convert. So in today's video, I'm going to be running you guys through the entire product selection process, the actual video recording process and scripts and all that, and the optimizing and posting techniques. Let's get into it. Now, like I mentioned, everybody, we can go to a website such as thedailyvirals.com, which is what we are going to be going over today. But some prime examples, you guys can see that there are some videos, 17 million views, crazy stuff. But like, you know, the chances of this actually making money could be slighter than the other videos on here. This website just ranks by views. There's no actual way to track how many sales were generated, or obviously it would show us the real winning products. So obviously it has to be a manual search to actually find a product that does work despite how many views it has. So we're going to go over and do some filters. And by the way, everybody, this is a paid tool. I know everybody hates that, but if you guys use the code Alex at checkout with my link in the description down below, you're going to go ahead and get a free month. And I'm actually using that trial for myself. But that being said, everybody, once you're inside your account, all you guys got to do is go over to the day that we're on right now, go to filter videos, put it by 1 day, put it to organic posts, and then leave everything as is. And by the way, everybody, I'm not going to be recommending you anything in these videos that I simply don't use, and I personally use this to actually find my viral videos. I apologize for everybody that is watching. It's like 1 in the morning here and I have a flight in a couple hours, so I'm quickly making this video. That being said, everybody, there is pretty much a specific criteria to finding a winning product or one that will actually make you money. So like I said, everybody, you're probably wondering, why are we looking for products? You got to find the product first, then make the video, because it doesn't matter how good your video is, it doesn't matter how good the structure is, the CTA, everything. If the product is bad, nobody's going to buy it, or, you know, it's simply going to be the other way around. So pretty much the main criteria that you guys have to be having for your actual products, the product cannot be saturated. So saturation pretty much means anything that is promoted by millions of people. Like, you've seen this product every single day and it's just not going to make you money because everybody's seen this, everybody's already bought the product, or they're too tired of all the ads. So something as simple as that. It has to be something new that you've never seen on TikTok before. It also can't be something that you can quickly get at the grocery store. So like I said, I have everything up here, not at Walmart. You can't find it at Walmart, you can't find it at CVS, can't find it really anywhere, even on Amazon. Amazon has everything, but like sometimes they don't have certain things, or at least they don't have it with faster shipping. Another thing is that old products tend to usually die then come back on TikTok. I found that out, but it's literally the same thing as saturation. The products already were viral a couple of years ago or a couple of months ago. Now they're back for whatever reason, but like, people have already seen it. So again, your chances of converting are very bad. Now, another one that I like to go ahead and point out is that you should not be promoting a product, even if it has a viral video, if the creator has more than 10,000 followers. So for a quick example, let's click on this video right here. It said says that this video got over 174,000 views. Looks pretty good. Looks a little bit viral. We're going to go ahead and click the page. This guy has 1.4 million followers. So, I mean, every video is going to go ahead and do absolutely insane. 200,000 views, 400,000. Like, you guys can understand, this isn't a winning product. It's literally just an average product that he posts. And honestly, this guy, 1.4 million followers is insane for doing TikTok Shop. But that being said, we're literally going to go through this and look at this live. So #1 video for the past 24 hours. Right here, jailhouse hookup noodle kit. Click on the profile, 60,000 followers, same thing. You can kind of get an idea of what it is. Now, it doesn't mean that every single time that you find a profile and it has over 10,000 followers, it's not ineligible to product, because you guys can see 1,000 views, 1,000 views, 1,000 views. Like, this guy doesn't get that many views, so who knows if his 60K followers is real. But like, this video was posted only a day ago, 300,000 views. So again, it still works, but you know, my general rule of thumb is just find somebody that's low followers, because obviously, you know, you can still blow up if you are kind of brand new. Let's go ahead and just do this one more time. So I'm going to click these 2 videos. We're going to click on the page. Video looks good. Click on the profile. 1.3 million. Okay, no, y'all just got to stay away from that. That's horrible. God. Okay. And again, same thing. So 400,000 followers. So guys, these are not viral products. These are just products promoted by really popular people. So of course it's going to get a lot of views. So again, you just got to keep going. You got to keep finding something. And let's just go ahead. I'm going to give this one more shot. Here we go. 30,000 followers. That's a little bit better right here. 7,000, 20,000, 42,000. So again, literally you just keep going until you find something. And then from there, then we do some more checks. All right. So for the last 2 things you guys need to go ahead and make sure that you find before you do go ahead and promote that product. You got to make sure that has free shipping. That's just like a non-negotiable on TikTok Shop. If you guys are promoting products that you have to pay for shipping, it's just like, what's the point of even shopping on TikTok Shop? You can get it somewhere cheaper, somewhere faster, whatever. And then the last one that I've personally heard from thousands of affiliates and honestly the top earners on this app is that you have to be promoting something that you actually want to promote, because at the end of the day, we're doing TikTok Shop affiliate to make money, right? Like, you cannot make this a miserable job talking about crap that you don't really care about. Of course, you got to do what you got to do sometimes. comes up like, realistically, you got to find products that you actually enjoy talking about. That's the problem that I've had for a while. I've talked about stuff that I never cared about, but obviously that's what makes sense of it. Okay, so once you find that product, you kind of have to get in the idea of finding what works consistently. So obviously you got to go around, look for a couple more products. But again, if you found one that's perfectly fine, obviously you can test it yourself. But guys, the number one thing that I will stress with TikTok Shop, it is quantity over quality. Now, of course, quantity in terms of videos that have a correct structure and everything that needs to be put in place. But what I mean is the editing, the lighting, it doesn't have to be super crazy. And honestly, 99% of TikTok Shop videos that make the most money are the pretty much raw ones. I've never seen a video on TikTok Shop that's like, super production set, all these crazy things. So again, there's no excuse for you having to make a video. Like I said, as long as there's a hook, a reason for people to buy the product, and a CTA at the end, then you're good. Now, for creating the actual content that you're going to go ahead and put on your TikTok page, you can go about doing this in two different ways. First one, you can literally go ahead and copy the video that you found on the dailyvirals.com and pretty much do exactly what they did. Now, unfortunately, you guys aren't going to like this, but TikTok does not really care about originality. They just care if people are on the platform long enough. And if people are engaging with the video, they find it interesting. And obviously, if it worked for somebody else, you can literally copy exactly what it is and nothing's going to happen to your account. I've done this multiple times and this has worked stupidly well. And again, like I said, I don't have to fast track, try and make my own videos and do all these extra steps just trying to test something when it's already proven. Now, and obviously the second one, you can just go out and make your own video with your own twist. But like I said, most of you guys that are starting TikTok Shop affiliate, this is all a numbers game. It's all based on views, how many, good products they pick. So of course you want to go with just, how people are telling you how to do it in the first place. But again, if you guys do decide to go ahead and go through making your own video, that's perfectly fine. I just have a couple pointers for you on what works and what doesn't. So the videos that pretty much show the actual process of what the product can do for you instead of just showing off the product itself, that works really well. Now, another thing that works are videos that do not lie about the product. I've seen so many videos on TikTok that show that you can get results by taking this or buying this supplement or whatever, but honestly, it's straight up lies. At first, you'll get a bunch of comments of people saying, whoa, this isn't correct. No, this doesn't actually do anything. You'll think you're doing good, getting all that engagement and all that. Eventually, TikTok does actually have a policy around lying on products. And then the last one, obviously, is very self-explanatory, but a video without the product. Now, not only is this not allowed on TikTok, but on top of that, it's just people like seeing what they actually want to buy. This was the method literally a year ago where people would make AI videos and then literally slap a product photo on top of the video. That doesn't work anymore. People are not stupid. People know what they want to buy, so you actually have to show it to them and have it in hand. Now, what doesn't work on TikTok and probably never will for you, especially if you're starting out, are skits, bottom of funnel, and unscripted, undirectional videos. Now, for skits, what I mean is simply where people are going out in public, doing some sort of skit, something like that. You guys have definitely seen it before. We all sit on the back end, all the affiliates, we all look at all these skits. We ask the people that are making these skits. I've made these skits before. They make the smallest amount of money anywhere on TikTok. Now, I mean, it's very self-explanatory because you're making just like a viral TikTok. Most people don't care about the product. They just care about what's actually going on as it is a normal TikTok. So like I said, you'll get a lot of views because it's a viral type of video on TikTok. Originally, that's what they're there for, but conversions are just not there. Now, if you do it very well, you go really deep into the product, the sale, the call to action, sure. But like most of the time, guys, it just doesn't work that way. So the next one is going to be bottom of funnel. If you guys haven't heard of it, it's literally just a funnel in the marketing campaign where a lot of people promote the product. They just show you guys, open up your eyeballs to it. Mid of the funnel is kind of like, talking a little bit more about the benefits, how it helps people. Bottom of funnel is just collecting the sale. So over the past few months, people have been starting to post bottom of funnel content where they're literally just holding up the product. They're holding up the product with their camera and just saying, guys, the sale is going to end tonight. And then whatever discounts that the product has, people make videos on to capture that last minute sale. So pretty much people already know about the product. They're aware of it. They know the solution and they know that this product can help them. Pretty much they've been just waiting for a discount in order to actually buy it. So it works really well. The only issue is that people have came to this space, flooded it with millions of these videos, and now it is quite nearly impossible to succeed as a new affiliate without literally posting 50 times a day. Now I know there's going to be a lot of people in the comment section saying, I make a lot of money bottom of a funnel. Somebody that's getting brand new into this business model that doesn't really have any idea, does not want to post 50 videos a day on this shit. I would just personally post videos that are simply high quality and actually do something for people instead of spamming a sale. So if you were thinking about getting into it, go for it, but you're going to be posting a lot of videos a day. That just feels like a job. And like I said, the ones that are not going to work the best for you are unscripted. I've seen way too many videos on TikTok where people are literally showing the product or holding it next to their face or just doing something that makes no sense whatsoever. Because on TikTok, not only do you have to make a viral type of video for it to go viral, but on top of that, you actually have to be showing off the product, showing what it does, showing why the hell people need to buy it that second. So the general format that does work the best for just any type of normal video, do it yourself, you have to include these 3 solid things, or actually 4. You need a solid hook. So literally the most important part, why people should stop on this video for the exact second. Take the intro of this video, for example. They need to be solution aware. So whatever problem that this product solves, you need to make them aware that this is the product that we're selling. This is how it's going to help you. Next one is going to be product demonstration. Now, if it's something like a supplement, maybe you can show yourself eating it, open the bottle, do whatever, any sort of demonstration. So it obviously gets them into feeling that I can also have this too. The last one is going to be call to action. It's pretty simple, but I'm going to go ahead and actually show you guys how to make a video like that. Okay, so this is going to be a live example of us actually making the video. This is going to be the self video, so us doing it on our own. What I usually start with is like the problem of what the product actually solves. So that's what my hook is going to be. This guy's a really bad back with dark spots. Obviously, that's what this product helps with. So we're going to go ahead and start it off. If you guys got those dark spots on your back, but you think you're cooked forever, watch this. This turmeric oil is the only product on TikTok that makes actual contact with your skin cells and makes it all smooth again. All you got to do is pour a little bit of this stuff on your back and only wait a couple hours. Then after a while, you should have a back like this. This stuff usually sells for 25 bucks on the TikTok shop, but now you guys can get it for only 50% off. And not to mention, you're getting a free gift and bundle deal with this, so tap the banner while you still can. You guys got those dark spots on your back, but you think you're cooked forever? Watch this. This turmeric oil is the only product. Obviously, we're going to go in and chop it up just a little bit, so let's go around and do that. What I personally do, I like to cut it up the exact millisecond. So you guys got those dark spots on your like the first like millisecond. You guys got those dark spots on your back, but you think you're cooked forever? Watch this. Cut it right here. So really every second. Yeah, no, that was way too quick. This turmeric oil is the only product on TikTok that makes actual contact with your skin cells and makes it all smooth again. All you gotta do is pour a little bit of this stuff on your back and only wait a couple hours. And after a while, you should have a back like this. This stuff usually sells for 25 bucks on the TikTok shop, but now you guys can get it for only 50% off. Not to mention, you're getting a free gift and bundle deal with this, so tap the banner while you still can. So there we go. We got everything perfect. Now what you guys need to do is put a visual hook as well. So you got to go ahead and get something going. So for me, I would say dark spots. They updated the text on TikTok. Now what you usually do after the second clip, that's whenever you remove the caption, because people are 99% of the time hooked into your video already. And then 99% of the time, you guys need to be adding captions to your videos, because guys, somebody could be watching at low volume. They could be watching, you know, whenever there's somebody sleeping next to them, or some people just can't even hear. So obviously you want to go ahead and have the captions. Just let them roll the whole time, and that's really it. But guys, the easiest way to just make this simple is just cut out every dead millisecond of time, and that's it. And for the actual posting part, again, what I personally do, if you guys go over to the add link section, click there, click on the product, and then find wherever it is, add it. Now what's cool is that you can actually edit the name. So instead of the, like, nobody's going to read 8.45 out, you can do something like free gift or free shipping or low stock, out of stock, something like that. For the description, you can really put anything that's related to the videos. I didn't even know this works. And then I like to hit enter twice, go to hashtags, and then everything that's related to the product. So dark spots, hyperpigmentation treatment, turmeric oil. So about the product, turmeric oil for skin and hair, back acne, 13,000. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Now for the cover, I forgot about this. You can go ahead and put this on the problem part. So around right here where I'm showing off the back. For me, I like to do the retro and then dark spots. And that's really it. And then from there, you can go ahead and post it up. And then you guys can obviously see on my page. This is my page, by the way. You guys can go ahead and follow me. But that's pretty much it, everybody. Now this stuff takes time. It will be boring. And like I said, that video that I did by myself, it was kind of hard to come up with the title or everything that I was going to do in the video. Like I said, most of the time, if you're just starting off, copy the videos off the daily virals and you will be good to go. Now guys, if you are just thinking about getting into TikTok shop, you want to know exactly how it's done, that's pretty much how you do it. And like I said, guys, if you do not have an account already, you want a quick, reliable, and safe and easy way to get one, me and monetizecreator.com have officially partnered to give you guys the best and reliable account for the discounted price. If you guys use that code Alex at checkout, you're going to go ahead and get 10% off your order. But I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll go ahead and see you guys later.